Welcome today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So now just by double press to down volume button, we can also change the volume of our device, the ringtone volume or media. And now just for example, if you wanna use the camera application from by double press to down volume button, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the intelligent assistance. After that, we can see here, for example, the quick open camera section, and just to use our camera app by double click to the down volume button, we should click here only once on the switcher. And now let's just try. Okay, so on unlock screen. Okay, so now let's press twice on the down volume button, and now we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So let's try one more time. That should be a locked screen. So now we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.